Corona has forced us to change several things. No wonder even the interviews this year have gone online. With almost all the B schools conducting their interviews online, it becomes very important for you as an aspirant to know what things to keep in mind when appearing for an online interview. Hello guys, this is Siddharth. Welcome to Sunday Career Ke Fun Day, and in today's interview series I will be talking about things that you need to keep in mind when you appear in an online interview. Well, it is very obvious that you need to have a stable internet connection, a good audio system so that you can hear the voice of the interviewer properly and your voice can go to the interviewer properly, and of course a very good camera quality. Needless to say, I'm sure you must have taken care of these things. But what I want to highlight is that there are few things that students don't even think about, and these are the make or break things. What are these things? Now let us understand that in an online interview, only thing visible to you interviewer is your face and your background. So you need to remember these things. In an interview where you are physically present, you can communicate a lot of things through your body language, your energy level, but you know these things are very difficult to gauge in an online interview. So these things become important. The first and foremost thing is maintaining a proper eye contact becomes more so ever important in an online interview. So many times I see students looking here and there. Now it anyways is awkward in a physical interview, but in an online interview it completely feels disconnected. So please remember, focus on your screen. Best would be if you can focus on the camera rather than looking on the screen and the face of the person, especially when you see. So please remember, when you are speaking, look straight at the camera of your laptop or mobile or whatever you are appearing in, whatever device you are appearing with in the interview. It will look very confident and smart. The second thing is the room that you are sitting in should be well lit. Your face should be clearly visible to the interviewer. Now many times when I take online interview, I find students sitting in a dull room, or when they are wearing specs, the light getting reflected on these specs and I'm not able to see their eyes. So this is very, very important. Before the actual interview, practice at 3-4 different places. Ask your friends or your family members to tell you that which place looks best for the interview as far as the lighting and the background is concerned. Of course, you need to find a place where there is less noise and no disturbance. Then there is another thing that you need to keep in mind. This was about face. Now next thing is about your background. The other thing that is visible to the interviewer is your background. So of course you should keep it neat and clean. And another thing, you know, I was just taking an interview few days back, and there was one boy who had a picture of Sachin Tendulkar at the background, and my first question was on Sachin Tendulkar, and he was a Sachin Tendulkar fan, so he answered all the questions that I asked about Sachin Tendulkar. Perhaps that boy was trying to guide me in the interview. Do that. If you can do something this smart, please do it, because interview may very well ask question on your background. So this is the third thing to remember. And the final and the most important thing is, because your face will be visible, face is the only visible thing in fact, please present your best self. Please look neat and clean and not disheveled. If you keep these little things in mind, then I believe that there is no difference between an online interview and offline interview. So that is it for today. I hope you have watched my other videos on interviews. If not, please do watch them and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.